Hey guys, Anson Craig here with MVX Detailing. 5 months ago, we ceramic coated this STI. We're gonna give it a bath today, show you guys how easy it is to maintain a car that has ceramic coating from Opti-Coat. We're gonna use Opti-Coat No Rinse, Power Clean for the tires, and Fair-X to melt the brake dust off. Watch how easy this is. There it is, super easy to maintain your Opti-Coated vehicle with Opti-Coat No Rinse. Wash it every 2 weeks and it's going to perform for you for a very long time. If you have any questions about how to maintain your ceramic coated vehicle, give me a call, text message, or shoot me an email. I'll be glad to help you guys out.